Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Welcome to our channel. This is Mr. Nino Mawas Catorsa, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 0015450. Now we are here in Cebu City. We are selling a residential condominium and ready for occupancy. It is a 24-story residential condominium. 24 Kandana. The name of our condominium is Budget Place. So, mao ni atong condominium nga atong gibaligya. So, just walking distance to Ayala Mall. Actually, this is a good place, a little quiet or a quiet place because it's not the passageway, no, of the vehicles. So, dili may agianan sa mga sakyanan. So, the good thing here, we are at the heart of Cebu City. So, just walking distance to University of the Philippines. So, this condominium has amenities such as swimming pool. Then there is a parking area, underground parking on that side, left side. So again, this is a 24-story residential condominium. And there are still few units available. So naay mga available dire nga gamay. Gamay na lang yun. So, maihap na lang. Okay. Now, we are entering to the lobby. Sa lobby na tayo guys. Lobby. So, this is the front desk. No? Before going to the unit, we are decided to see first the amenity area like the swimming pool. So, mao ni atong itanaw guna ang swimming pool. Then I saw two foreigners, one foreigner on the front of swimming pool, the other one is on standby. Naka-standby ra dia dapita sa tungod. Murag si wifi siguro na niya na edad na masad. So, let's continue to the unit together with our broker coordinator, Mr. Joseph Meka. So, mao ni siya. So, see, iya nang tuslok ang elevator going up. So, that is the plan. So, we are here at the elevator area. So, that is the hallway. Now we are here at the unit. So, there are 3 bedrooms with 2 toilet and bath. Then, sala set, no? Everything's are intact. So, all you have to do, it's a fully furnace, beddings included, sala set. What you see is what you get. Then all you have to do here is you can change the color inside. That is the condominium law. You can just repaint, no, imong utrohon og pintal. So mao ra ginay mahitabo. You can make some renovations but inside, no? At kay ba unsay gustong basta ma-turn over na guys, ikaw na magbuot. Pwede man igam-on imong 2 rooms ba para madako gyud, no? Pero I think you need to ask the management. Okay, building ba yan eh. So that is the surroundings. So nearer to Ayala Mall. So dool ni sa Ayala kana nga building di napita. So that is Ayala part na, no? Di napita. Kita ang dagat. Okay. So again, this is the interior, no? Then if you have property, so this is the maid rooms, no? Maid rooms. Daanan sa maid or helper. So if you have property, no? Property for sale, just submit it to us, no? Again, the size of our unit is 79 square meters. 3-bedroom unit. Then 2 CR. The price is 14.6 million, 14,600,000 pesos. Then 10% discount. All you have to do is to have a reservation for 50,000. Then you need to go to the bank for the process. Kung mapasar na ka dito, we can have schedule for the turnover. Okay? So morning ang underground parking area. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, that's me. Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing.